Okay, welcome back. It is day 210 of coding every day. Didn't do a lot today. Um, had like my daily meeting. Like I went in. Actually, I had my like mentor meeting today. When I usually have it on Thursdays, because I had to be rescheduled. Um, and then I'm waiting on one of my mentors to kind of get back to me on that CSI data to validate that it's like good synthetic data before I start collecting it to train. So waiting on that, and then yeah, that was basically it for lab today. Didn't do much. I looked at like some papers, and they were all none of them really helped. So yeah. As for the leak code, I guess, it was just finding right triangles, which was kind of weird because it was like the right triangle could be like separated by blocks. So I don't know if there's a more efficient way, but I just counted up all the rows and columns of ones. And so I went through the grid. And if I found a one, I would just look at the rows and columns and exclude the current one and then see, can I make a right triangle here? If so, add it to the total. That's it. And then return the number at the end of the total right triangles that are able to be formed. Um, so yeah, not much. Very bored today. Yeah, uh, not a lot to do. Might go play pool or something by myself. Um, so yeah, I don't know. But I'll see you tomorrow for day 111, where I'll probably just do another leak code because that's all I do on these videos anymore. Um, that probably won't change until August. Actually, once I'm done with this like internship and I have this like 1 month like span between it, I really want to ramp up like interview preparations. Maybe even start doing some like mock interview stuff. I don't know if I'd record that, but yeah. Uh, I need to be ready for the career fair because I want a job out of school. So yeah. All right. Take care. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.